Namaste and welcome to this guided meditation. In this session, we will reflect on finding balance. Balance is an integral part of life. We might know this intellectually, yet often find ourselves wanting balance. Balance can be at the physical, mental, and emotional level. Balance can also be within the different aspects of life, such as personal, social, professional, and spiritual. But our modern lifestyle is imbalanced in various ways. We are all about doing rather than being. We choose stimulation over relaxation. We are more in the head than in the heart. We find it easy to control, but difficult to let go. And due to this, we often find ourselves seeking balance. Finding balance is essential for happiness, well-being, creativity, and inner peace. A well-balanced person is an expression of harmonious attitude, speech, thoughts, and actions. We all have the power to find balance in life and live each day with meaning and purpose. So let's get started with today's practice. Find a quiet and a comfortable place for practice. You may practice seated on a yoga mat, or you may even sit with your back against the wall. If you're not comfortable sitting down cross-legged, feel free to sit on a chair with your feet resting on the floor. It's important that you feel comfortable and alert during the practice. As you settle in, gently close the eyes, or you may even keep them partially open with a soft gaze downward. Place your hands on the knees. Soften the abdomen. Lift the chest up and lengthen the spine. Roll your shoulders up and backwards. Relax the arms, neck. Soften the facial expression, keeping a gentle smile on the face. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out completely. Take a moment to acknowledge the external sounds as part of the experience. For the remainder of the practice, you will be aware of my voice and keep the body still. Become aware of the body. Observe the entire body as a single entity. Become aware of any physical sensations. Now notice your posture. Is the spine upright and balanced? Or are you leaning forward? Are you tilting to any one side? Finding a balance between an effort of sitting upright, yet being completely relaxed. A balanced expression of the physical body. Now bring the awareness to the tip of your nose. Feel the subtle movement of breath moving in and out at the nostrils. being an observer of the rhythm of your natural and spontaneous breath. And notice if the inhalation and exhalation are balanced. If the expression of the incoming and outgoing breath is balanced. Now bring the awareness to the space at the forehead or in front of the closed eyes. In this space, your mind's eye, reflect on how you can find balance in the different aspects of life. But remember to do this from a place of introspection rather than judgment. Starting with the body, in what ways do you need balance? With exercise, are you exercising regularly? In nutrition, are you eating healthy? And with sleep, are you sleeping well? If not, ask yourself on how you can find balance with exercise, nutrition, and sleep. Next, regarding the mind, in what ways do you need balance? Around knowledge, are you spending time learning new skills or topics? In creativity, are you engaging in creating new experiences or projects? And with calm, are you prioritizing mental health? If not, ask yourself on how you can find balance in terms of knowledge, creativity, and calm. And now regarding the matters of the heart, in what ways do you need balance? In relationships, are you spending quality time with your loved ones? In compassion, are you giving and helping others in any way? And self-care, are you being kind to yourself? If not, ask yourself on how you can find balance in terms of relationships, compassion, and self-care. It's okay if you're not living the way you intend to. The intention of this practice is to gain insights and take actionable steps to find balance. Gradually, awareness returning to the breath. Awareness back to the body. Feel the sense of touch. Feel the contact between the body and the seat. The palms resting on the knees. Observe the body as a single entity. And notice how you feel after today's practice. Physically, mentally, and even emotionally. If anything is different from the beginning of session, do acknowledge it. Preparing to release the posture, wiggle the fingers and toes. Gently move the neck sideways. Bring your hands in front of chest with palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Rub the palms till you feel them getting warm. And then cup them over the eyes. Enjoy this feeling of warmth. And release your hands, open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. The key to living your life to the fullest is balance. It is believed that we live in harmony when our life is a balanced expression of the head, the heart, and the hands. That means a balance between the intellect, emotions, and actions. I hope this meditation helped gain insights into the different dimensions of your life, and I encourage you now to take some time and journal regarding how you will find balance. Take care, and I will see you soon. May we all be healthy and peaceful. Hari Om Tat Sat.